Good afternoon, Jason, and thank you so much for inquiring here for the 2015 Sonata. We've got lovely LED wraparound lights, daytime running lights, and a lovely grille with the H, waterfall grille with the H. We've also got the 16-inch alloy wheels. Lovely dimensions on the car, so let me take you inside and show you more.
3 down 4302, come along with your office.
We've got the blue voice activation for your Bluetooth. We've got a lovely little screen here for your backup camera. We've also got your air conditioning. We've also got your daytime running lights. So let me tell you more about the warranty we offer here at Tameron. We offer you 5 years, 60,000 miles, new car warranty. We also offer you 10 years, 100,000 miles powertrain warranty, which we exclusively double to 20 years, 200,000 miles warranty. And we also give you 5 years roadside assistance unlimited. So please call me on 205 720 6581. My name's Mark Hodson, and Jason, I can't wait to take you through the car. Thank you so much.